There are secrets, car maintenance secrets, that mechanics will never tell you. Why? Because if you knew what I'm about to reveal, you could save thousands of dollars every single year. No more overpriced labor, no more mystery fees, just proven DIY car hacks that work. And the best part? Anyone can do them, even if you've never held a wrench in your life. If you've ever felt ripped off, overcharged, or helpless at the repair shop, this video is your turning point. Stick around, because the final tip is so simple and so powerful, it could cut your repair bills in half, instantly. 1. Learn to read the owner's manual like a mechanic. Most drivers never open their owner's manual, but that little book holds pure gold. It tells you exactly when to change fluids, what parts your car actually needs, torque specs, service intervals. Mechanics often recommend early services to pad the bill. Your manual keeps you on schedule, not on someone else's payroll. Psychologically, the manual makes you feel empowered. It's your weapon against guesswork. 2. Use OEM part numbers to find parts for half the price. Want to pay 50% less for the exact same part? Here's the trick. Look up your part's OEM number online, then search for it on Rock Auto, Parts Geek, eBay Motors. You'll find brand name parts identical to what the dealer uses for a fraction of the cost. Mechanics buy from the same sources, they just charge you double. 3. Oil changes. Do it yourself, and do it right. You can change your oil at home with a $25 jack and stands, $30 synthetic oil, a $6 filter, total cost around $40. Compare that to $90+ at shops. Use full synthetic oil and a quality filter. Wix, Bosch, OEM. Learn the drain plug torque. Dispose of oil at your local auto parts store. Bonus tip. Use Fumoto valves for clean, tool-free oil changes. 4. Learn the 2-finger brake pad test. Don't rely on what the mechanic says. Check your brakes yourself. Remove the wheel, look through the caliper, and gauge pad thickness. If it's more than 3 millimeters, you're still safe. Below that, replace soon. Use ceramic pads for less dust and longer life. Pro tip, change pads before they wear out the rotors. Saves hundreds. 5. Replace air and cabin filters in minutes. Shops charge $50 to $80 to replace what takes 3 minutes and costs $10. Air filter. Pop the hood. Unclip the box. Replace the filter. Cabin filter. Usually behind the glove box. Slide it out. Pop in a new one. Dirty filters reduce MPG, strain the HVAC system, and create odors. Swap them every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. 6. Use a $30 OBD2 scanner to diagnose like a pro. Plug it into your OBD2 port. Read the trouble code. Google the code. You'll instantly know if it's serious, if it's a false alarm, what part is faulty. Scanners like the FIXD, Blue Driver, or even free apps with a Bluetooth dongle make diagnosis simple. Mechanics charge $120 for the same scan. 7. Change your spark plugs. No dealership needed. Misfiring, poor MPG, weak acceleration? Spark plugs often cause it, and replacing them takes 20 to 45 minutes on most cars. Use the anti-seize, only if manufacturer recommends it. Torquey wrench, OEM plugs, NGK, Denso, Bosch. Gap matters, so does Torquey. But YouTube plus your manual equals total success. Savings, $150 to $400 depending on vehicle. 8. Flush your coolant like a mechanic. Dirty coolant leads to overheating and gasket failure. Flush it every 5 years or 60,000 miles. Open radiator drain. Capture and dispose properly. Fill with distilled water. Run engine. Drain again. Add 50-50 coolant mix. Bleed air with funnel or bleeder screw. Tools cost $10 to $15. Shops charge $120 to $250. 9. Reset warning. Lights after minor fixes. You replace the gas cap, battery, or air filter, but the light is still on. Use your scanner to reset it. Or disconnect the battery. Wait 15 minutes, then reconnect. If the issue is solved, the light stays off. If not, it returns, giving you a clear signal. 10. Rotate tires at home with just chalk and a jack. Tire rotation improves wear and MPG. Mark tires with chalk. Use your jack and stands. Swap front to rear or follow your drive layout. FWD, RWD, AWD. Torquey lug nuts properly. Check pressure. Do this every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. 11th, clean the mass airflow sensor, MAF. This tiny sensor affects fuel delivery. If it's dirty, you'll get rough idle and MPG drop. Unplug it. Use MAF cleaner only. Spray and air dry. Never touch the wire. Do this yearly. Takes 5 minutes. Costs $8. 12th, clean the throttle body for instant smoothness. Sticky throttle. Hesitation. Remove intake hose. Use throttle cleaner. Wipe plate and bore gently. Avoid opening too far. Relearn idle afterward. Cost $7. Shop quote $80 plus. 13. Lubricate suspension and door hinges. Noises while turning or bouncing. Lube bushings and end links. Use silicone grease or white lithium spray. Also spray door hinges, hood latches, and window channels. Quiet ride equals comfortable ride. 14. Change wiper blades in 60 seconds. Shops charge $30 to $50 for a 1-minute task. Buy name brand blades. Rain-X Bosch. Snap off the old ones. Clip in new. Use a soft cloth with vinegar to wipe the windshield clean. Visibility equals safety. 15. Prevent battery corrosion with this one hack. Mix baking soda and water. Scrub terminals with a toothbrush. Rinse and dry. Then, apply petroleum jelly or battery terminal spray. Prevents sulfation and voltage drop. Costs pennies, saves battery life. 16. Install a Fumoto valve for mess-free oil changes. Sick of draining oil onto your driveway? Replace the oil drain bolt with a Fumoto valve. Flip the lever to drain. No tools. Safe, leak-proof, and clean. Install once. Benefit for life. 17. Use fuel system cleaner every 6 months. Deposits equals MPG loss plus poor idle plus misfires. Use BG44. K Royal Purple. Max Clean. Techron. Add to gas tank before fill up. Drive normally. Prevents injector, valve, and sensor failure. 18. Inspect belts and hoses in 2 minutes. Check for cracks, bulges, fraying. Replace every 60,000 to 90,000 miles. Hose failure equals overheating. Belt failure equals stranded. Better safe than sorry. 19. Learn how to check fluid levels. Your dipsticks don't lie. Check engine oil, transmission fluid if accessible, coolant level when cold, brake fluid, power steering, washer fluid. Look for color, smell, and level. Add fluid only as needed. Never overfill. 20. Know your torque specs. Avoid over-tightening. Stripping a bolt. Rear nightmare. Get a $25 torque wrench. Use manufacturer torque specs for lug nuts, drain bolts, spark plugs. Precision greater than brute force. 21. Build a basic toolkit. Save thousands. Start with socket set, screwdrivers, jack and stands, torque wrench, pliers. Then add MAF spray, brake cleaner, rags and gloves, funnels. Total setup around $150. ROI infinite. 22nd. Track your maintenance with an app. Use apps like Drivo, Carfax Car Care, Simply Auto. Log oil changes, mileage, filters, and repairs. Never forget what you did or when. 23. Learn to replace bulbs and fuses. Headlight out, dome light dead. Open your manual. Buy a $5 replacement bulb. Pop open the housing. Replace. Done. Same for fuses. Use a tester to find a dead one. Replace with same amp rating. 24. Watch forums and YouTube for model-specific DIYs. Every car has quirks. Forums and YouTube tutorials are full of guides, fixes, and hacks. Search your car model plus problem or service. You'll be shocked how much you can do solo. 25. Don't fall for the upsell at oil change shops. You need a new air filter, coolant flush, transmission service. Sound familiar? Always say, "I'll check the manual and get back to you." You'll find 80% of what they recommend is premature or unnecessary. There you have it. 25 car maintenance secrets that can save you thousands of dollars every single year. You don't need a mechanic to do most of this. You just need curiosity, a little confidence, and the willingness to try. Your car is smarter than ever, but so are you. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these DIY tricks have you used before? Did one of them save you a big repair bill? Or is there one you wish you knew years ago? Drop your story in the comments, share your experience, and help build a community of drivers who know more and pay less. If you got value from this video, smash that like button. Subscribe for more real-world car tips. And share this with a friend who's about to pay $300 for a service you now know takes 10 minutes and a $20 part. Because when you take control of your car, you take control of your money, your safety, and your peace of mind. Drive smarter, maintain smarter, save bigger every single year.